See this right here? I made it using only my phone, no laptop, no prior experience. If you can use a smartphone, you can do this too. Watch this.
Hi, sorry, I don't want to interrupt. Are you enjoying the beach?
Yes, I am. It's beautiful today.
It really is. The ocean looks amazing.
Yes, the water is so clear and blue.
I agree. Miami has great beaches.
It does. I love the palm trees too.
By the way, I'm Marcus.
Nice to meet you, Marcus. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Are you visiting Miami?
Yes, I am. I'm from Brazil.
Oh, Brazil? That's awesome. Which city?
Rio de Janeiro.
Wow, Rio is famous for carnival and beaches.
Yes, that's true. But Miami Beach is very nice too.
I'm glad you like it. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I arrived 3 days ago.
How do you like it so far?
I love it. The weather is perfect.
Yes, not too hot, not too cold.
Exactly.
What do you usually do at the beach?
I like to walk, take pictures, and relax.
That sounds nice. I like to surf and enjoy the sun.
Do you surf here often?
Yes, almost every weekend.
That's cool.
If you want, I can show you some nice places around Miami.
Really? That would be great.
Maybe we can exchange numbers?
Yes, of course. It's 555-0199.
Great, got it. Perfect, I'm glad we met today.
Me too. It was a nice surprise.
Mommy, who are you talking to?
A friend.
I didn't come here just to show you stories. I came here to show you how you can create your own stories and build a real YouTube business. You don't need experience. You don't need a credit card. With just your phone, you can create cinematic stories like this, completely free. But before I show you how to create these stories, let me show you why this model works. Look at this channel, English for Beginner. Over 104,000 subscribers, and only 18 videos, but more than 3.3 million views. That's an average of over 188,000 views per video. This is massive. This proves that this model is not luck. This is a system, a repeatable system. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. First, I go to ChatGPT and ask it to create an English conversation for beginners. You can choose any length you want, even 10 minutes. But for this example, I choose a 2-minute conversation. I describe the characters and the context. I copy the text and paste it into ChatGPT to generate the script. Once ChatGPT creates the full conversation, I carefully review it. Then, I copy the script and save it in my notes. This script will guide the entire video creation process. Step 2. Copy the description and the context. Then go to Google and search for Grok AI. Click on Grok, then click Sign Up and log in with your email. Once you're inside, click the menu icon in the top corner. Next, click Imagine and select Image. Choose the 16:9 ratio. Now paste the text and click Generate to create the images. When Grok finishes generating the images, pick the one you like the most. Next, copy the first dialog prompt. Go back to Grok, paste the prompt, and select Make Video. Then click Generate to create the video.
Hi, sorry, I don't want to interrupt. Are you enjoying the beach?
Yes, I am. It's beautiful today.
Once the video is ready, simply download it. Next, copy the second part of the dialogue. This step is very important to keep the same characters and voices. Go back to Grok and do not start a new chat. Delete the first dialogue and paste the second part below the first video. Then click Generate. When the video is ready, download it.
It really is. The ocean looks amazing.
Yes, the water is so clear and blue.
I think you understand the process now. I'm going to create the final conversation scene where the boy joins them while they are talking. Pay attention to character consistency and the same voices. I simply repeat the same process. Copy the dialogue, go back to Grok, delete the previous dialogue, and paste the final one. Then click Generate.
Perfect. I'm glad we met today.
Me too, it was a nice surprise.
Mommy, who are you talking to?
A friend.
When the video is ready, download it. Step 3. Go to the App Store and search for CapCut. Download the app and open it. Tap Skip, then sign in using your email. Click New Video and select all the videos. Then click Add to place them on the timeline.
Hi, sorry, I don't want to interrupt. Are you enjoying the beach?
Yes, I am. It's beautiful today.
It really is. The ocean looks amazing.
Yes, the water is so clear and blue.
Next, click Captions and choose a free template. I'll select this one. Then click Generate Captions.
Hi, sorry, I don't want to interrupt. Are you enjoying the beach?
Yes, I am. It's beautiful today.
It really is. The ocean looks amazing.
Yes, the water is so clear and blue.
I agree. Miami has great beaches.
It does. I love the palm trees too.
Finally, click Export. Don't just watch, create. Subscribe now and start using free AI tools to build your own story videos. This is Zylexa.